Welcome to Go Condo. If you're new here, we're all about sharing condo decor ideas to inspire your dream home. Today, we're diving into budget-friendly ways to transform your condo living room without breaking the bank. Living in a condo often means maximizing every inch of space. But that doesn't mean you have to compromise on style. Whether you're a minimalist or someone who loves a touch of glam, these affordable tips are perfect for anyone looking to refresh their living room. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to give your living room a fresh look is by simply rearranging your furniture. Sometimes a new perspective is all your space needs. Start by identifying the focal point of your room. It could be your TV, a window with a view, or even a piece of art. Once you know your focal point, arrange your seating and tables around it for a cohesive flow. Don't be afraid to experiment with diagonal layouts or floating furniture away from walls. Even small tweaks can make your living room feel brand new. Throw pillows and blankets are a budget-friendly way to add color, texture, and coziness to your living room. The best part? You can easily swap them out to match the seasons or your mood. Choose patterns and fabrics that complement your existing furniture. If your sofa is neutral, go bold with bright colors or fun prints. For colorful sofas, stick to muted tones for balance. Layering textures like knit, velvet, or faux fur adds depth and a designer touch to your space without costing a fortune. Plants are an inexpensive way to breathe life into your condo living room. Whether it's real or faux, a touch of green instantly makes your space feel fresh and inviting. For beginners, start with low-maintenance options like snake plants, pothos, or succulents. If you prefer faux plants, invest in high-quality ones for a more realistic look. Place plants strategically, on shelves, as a centerpiece, or even hanging from the ceiling to add variety and visual interest. Lighting can completely change the vibe of your living room. And the good news? You don't have to splurge to achieve great lighting. Swap out harsh white bulbs for warm-toned LEDs. Add string lights, fairy lights, or small lamps for a cozy atmosphere. Don't forget about natural light. Sheer curtains allow sunlight to filter in while still maintaining privacy. Wall decor is a must for making your living room feel complete, and you don't need to spend a fortune to do it. Get creative with DIY projects. Frame personal photos, press flowers, or paint abstract art yourself. It's a fun activity that also adds a personal touch to your decor. Alternatively, you can use washi tape to create geometric patterns or gallery-style layouts on your walls. Affordable and chic. An area rug can define your living room and make it feel more cohesive. Plus, it's a great way to add warmth and style without spending too much. Choose a size that fits your layout. Ideally, all major furniture pieces should touch the rug, even if just slightly. This anchors the room. Patterns and colors can either tie the room together or make a bold statement. Look for budget-friendly options online or in discount stores. When space and budget are limited, multifunctional furniture is your best friend. These pieces save money while adding practicality to your living room. Consider ottomans that double as storage, coffee tables with lift tops, or sofas that can transform into beds. These dual-purpose items not only optimize your space, but also reduce the need for additional purchases. Win-win. And there you have it, our top budget-friendly tips to transform your condo living room. Decorating on a budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on style. Small changes can truly make a big impact. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Go Condo for more ideas on how to elevate your condo living. Drop a comment below and share your favorite tip or tell us how you decorate on a budget. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy decorating!